Hey everybody, so in today's workout I'll be reviewing acid-base balance and discussing how exercise influences pH within the body. Now the body's pH is tightly regulated because even the smallest change can affect normal physiological function. And in exercise physiology, maintaining acid-base balance is essential because changes in pH can influence enzyme activity, muscle contraction, and energy production. So as I'm doing this, these marching in place right now, my muscles they start increasing their demand for ATP. Now, as energy production increases, metabolic reactions also increase. And then according to our notes that we took during this week, acids are substances that are released during hydrogen ions, and while bases combine with hydrogen ions, the concentration of these hydrogen ions determines the pH of the blood. Now, as hydrogen ion concentration increases, the pH will decrease, thus meaning it becomes more acidic. Now, homeostasis requires that blood pH remain within a very narrow range, which is around 7.4. So if pH drops too far, the body enters into what is called acidosis. And if the pH rises above normal, the condition is called alkalosis. Now, as I'm increasing the intensity here by doing some squats, ATP demand is also going to increase. Now, our notes identify several major sources of hydrogen ions during exercise. One source is the oxidation of carbs and fats, which produces carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide combines with water to form carbonic acid, which can release hydrogen ions. Another contributor is the production of lactate during periods of high glycolytic activity. Although lactate itself is not the cause of fatigue, its association with the increase of hydrogen ions contributes to a decrease in blood pH. ATP breakdown also contributes to hydrogen ion production, and since ATP is constantly being broken down during muscle contraction, hydrogen ions are continuously produced as exercise intensity increases. And as hydrogen ion concentration rise, enzyme activity becomes less efficient, which can reduce metabolic function and contribute to muscular fatigue. And as I'm slowing down here, my muscles begin producing fewer hydrogen ions, but the body continues working to restore acid-base balance. And recovery is an important period because buffering systems and other physiological mechanisms continue removing excess hydrogen ions and thus restoring homeostasis in the body. So to summarize everything up, exercise increases hydrogen ion production through ATP breakdown, carbon dioxide production, and high rate of glycolysis. And if hydrogen ions accumulate faster than they can be removed, pH will decrease. And maintaining the acid-base balance is essential for enzyme function, muscle contraction, and overall exercise performance.